Hi, this is Natalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do the winner's drawing for the April challenge. We did run this challenge in a Facebook group, and first of all, I want to thank everybody for joining in. It really was a lot of fun seeing all your makings, although I have to say I kind of lost track because of the private situation my family and I were going through with my mother-in-law passing away and everything. But I did try to catch up as good as I could, and what I saw was just amazing. And I hope you all had fun, and also you were able to be inspired, inspire each other, but also were inspired by somebody else in the group, because that's the whole point. Yeah, about the spinning, about the name picking, about the winner's drawing. I'm going to spin the wheel 3 times. If your name is a winner, your name will be taken out, all your names, because there are several people with multiple names in it, multiple times with their names in it. Your name will be taken out completely. This way everybody has a chance of winning a prize. So not one person can win the first, second and a third prize. And the third prize is 3 digitals from my Etsy. The second prize is 2 digitals from my Etsy. And the third prize is 1. And every time I did a spin, I have to go back to another menu to remove your name. Because if I do it in the wheel, I have an option to do it in the wheel, but then only it takes that name out and not all the other ones. So if you're my name would be in 10 times and my name was drawn for the prize, I still have 9 names left after I removed the winning name. So I have to do that off camera to, well, it's a mess. I have to complete, I have to go to another screen, but I will do it off camera quickly and then do the second drawing. So here we go for the first prize, 3 kits from my Etsy. Here we go. One of the helpers is next to me. He's watching on the screen, seeing the wheel spin. I'm afraid he will jump on the screen within a minute. I hope not. Okay, we are almost there. I can't even read the names. It's so small. Linda Step. Linda, congratulations. You have won 3 digitals from my Etsy store. Let me know by messenger which kit you want to have. There's no rush, but if you want it soon, please message me and I will send you the links. So I've taken out Linda's step name, and now we are going for the second prize, the second draw, 2 kits from my Etsy store. And the little helper is still next to me, but he is watching the screen very closely. I think he will jump on the screen maybe a little bit later. But he likes it, but he's also purring and trying to relax. So I think he's not sure what he's going to do. The second prize is okie dokie. Buffy Burnside. Congratulations, Buffy. You won 2 kits from my Etsy store, 2 digital. Let me know by private message which one you want. I'm going to remove your name from the whole entry screen. Okay, and this is the final drawing for the third prize. Here we go. And the third prize winner is Melissa Dobson. And congratulations, Melissa, and also send me a message to tell me which kit you want to receive. And yeah, this is it for today. There's nothing left to draw anymore. Once again, thank you everybody for joining in. I hope you can see my hands. It was really nice, and we are already moved on to the next challenge, the Boho Summer Collab I'm doing together with Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts. If you're not aware of what this is all about, please check the description box down below this video, and all the info is in there. And there's also a playlist, hashtag Boho Summer Collab, and you can see all the information and the updates in there. At the moment I'm working on my Boho cover, so that's the latest video I did. Thank you everybody for watching. Stay safe, stay creative. I hope to see you next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.